Chapter Factors and Multiples for Grade 5 and 6. Topic Factors. Hello everyone. Topic for this video is factors and multiples. Factors and multiples are nothing but division and multiplication. So for this, you should know your tables thoroughly. You have studied about division and multiplication in your lower grades. Before starting with the factors and multiples, I'll just revise few basic concepts about division. When we are dividing a number, the number which we are dividing is called as dividend. The number by which we are dividing is called as divisor. So here 12 is a dividend and 2 is a divisor. After dividing, the result which we get is called the quotient. So here 6 is the quotient. After dividing, the leftover number is called the remainder. In this case, the remainder is 0. In this video, I will be explaining what are factors, properties of factors, and how to find factors of the given number. Now, we will understand what are factors. When we are dividing a number, a divisor which divides the number completely with leaving 0 as a remainder, that divisor is called the factor of that number. Here 2 is dividing 12 completely with leaving 0 as a remainder. So 2 is a factor of 12. So here factor, when a divisor completely divides the given number, it is said to be the factor of that number. Now we will find out factors of 24. For that, we will divide 24 first by 1. So 24 divided by 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 0. 4 comes down. 1 into 4 is 4. Remainder is 0. So 1 completely divides 24 with remainder 0. So 1 is a factor of 24. Next we will divide it with 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 will come down. 2 into 2 is 4. So 0. So 2 also divides 24 completely. So 2 is also a factor of 24. Next is 3. So 3 into 8 is 24. So here remainder is 0. 3 also divides 24 completely. So here 3 is a factor of 24. 4. 4 into 6 is 24 with remainder 0. So here 4 is also a factor of 24. Next we will divide 24 by 5. 5 into 4 is 20. Remainder is 4. So here 5 does not divide 24 completely. So 5 is not a factor of 24. Next is 6. When we divide 24 by 6, 6 into 4 is 24. So remainder again is 0. That means 6 is a factor of 24. 7. When we divide 24 by 7, 7 into 3 is 21. Remainder is 3. 7 does not divide 24 completely because 3 is left as a remainder. So 7 is not a factor of 24. Next we will divide 24 by 8. 8 into 3 is 24. Remainder is 0. So 8 is a factor of 24. Next we know that it is not divisible by 9, 10, 11. Next it is divisible by 12. So 24 divided by 12. 12 into 2 is 24. So your remainder 0. So the next factor is 12. After that, it is not divisible by 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Directly it is divisible by 24. So here 24 divided by 24. 24 into 1 is 24. 0 is the remainder. So the next factor is 24. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we will see properties of factors. First property is 1 is a factor of every number. One can divide every number completely with leaving 0 as a remainder. So here we say that 1 is a factor of every number. Next is every number is a factor of itself. So the number can divide itself completely. Here 24 can divide 24 completely with 0 as a remainder. So here we say that every number is a factor of itself. Number of factors are finite. Finite means every number will have a fixed number of factors. Here there are 8 factors of 24. So here each number will have a fixed number of factors. Every factor is an exact divisor of that number. Means if you are taking a factor and dividing a number with that factor, it will completely divide the number with remainder 0. So here every factor is an exact divisor. Exact divisor means a divisor which divides the number completely with leaving 0 as remainder of that number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. That means here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. All these numbers are less than 24 and 24 is equals to 24. That means all the factors are either less than 24 or equals to 24. So the last property is every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Now we will find factors of 48. We know that 1 is a factor of every number. So first we will write 1. We know that number is a factor of itself. So here 48 is also a factor of 48. Now we will move to the next, that is 2. 48 divided by 2. 2 into 2 is 4, 0 and 8. 2 into 4 is 8. So here 0. Here 2 is a factor of 48 and 24 is also a factor of 48. Now how? If we will divide 48 by 24, 24 into 2 is 48. So here remainder is 0. Now next we will divide it by 3. 48 divided by 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 1 down 18. 3 6 are 18. So here 0. So here next we can write that 3 and 16 both are factors of 48. Next is 4. 48. 4 into 1 is 4. 8 down. 4 into 2 is 8. 0. So 4 into 12 is 48. That means 4 is a factor of 48 and 12 is also a factor of 48. Next, we will divide it by 5. 48 divided by 5 and 9s are 45. So the remainder is 3. So it is not a factor of 48. Now we will divide 48 by 6. So here 6 into 8 is 48. Remainder 0. So here 6 and 8. Both are factors of 48. Next we will divide 48 by 9. But it is not divisible as we know that 48 is not there in 9's table. Now 10, again it is not divisible by 48 is not divisible by 10. It is not divisible by 11. Next it is divisible by 12 that we have already written here. So the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Next, factors of 136. 1 is a factor of every number and number is a factor of itself. So here we can write 1 and 136 are two factors of 136. Now we will divide it by 2. 2 into 6 is 12. 16. 2 into 8 is 16. So here 2 and 68 both are factors of 136. Now we will see why 68 is also a factor. When we divide it by the quotient, then also we will get remainder as 0. 136 divided by 68. So 68 into 2 is 136. So here the remainder will be 0. So that's why we say that 2 and 68 both are factors of 136. So here 136 is not divisible by 3. It is directly divisible by 4 now. So we will divide it by 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So here 4 into 4 is 16. So we will write 4 and 34. Next, it is not 136 is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 7. It is divisible by 8. So 8 into 1 is 8. 5, 6 will come down into 7 is 56. So here 8 and 17. So here again 136 is not divisible by 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is divisible by 17 but we have already written it here. So factors of 136 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 17, 34, 68 and 136. I hope topics discussed in this video are clear to you. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.